In this tutorial, we are going to be tuning and bill matching a deselected bill for a gas meter in our toy factory project. We bill match bills when usage does not depend on weather or other variables used in tuning. Let's tune the gas meter in the store area. First, click on the gas meter item in the store area and select the Tuning tab. The tuning period for this meter has already been selected, so let's change the x-axis of the graph to outdoor temperature. The usage versus temperature graph tells us that there is a relationship between gas usage and weather. As temperature decreases, usage increases, so we would expect metrics to tune with heating degree days. Change the x-axis of the graph to heating degree days. Now auto-tune the meter. All of the statistical indicators have green check marks next to them, and the R-squared value is close to 1. This points to a good tuning. However, we can see from the heating degree days graph that the July 97 bill is extremely low compared to the other bills in the tuning period, and that it is nowhere close to the fit line. Let's deselect the July 97 bill to give a closer fitting regression equation. Remember, you tune bills to get a good picture of building usage patterns. This outlier doesn't represent how the building uses gas. The amount entered for the bill looks like a typo. It is extremely low compared to the other bills in the tuning period. Let's look at July bill data from subsequent years to see if there is some type of usage pattern. The July 1998 bill is low, and the same is true for the July 1999 bill. We can see that this low usage is reasonable for this month and will be repeated in following years. It is possible to compare future usage during this month without using the regression line. We do this by bill matching the bill. To bill match, right-click on the meter and select New Modification. In the Modification Setup tab, you may choose to use absolute or fractional offsets. For this example, we will use fractional offsets. A window will pop up saying that this will reset all factory rows to their default values. Click OK. Uncheck the Included Bills option in the Match field, leaving only Excluded Bills checked. This means that only excluded or deselected bills will be bill matched. Click on the meter item again in order to display the tuning data form, and change the x-axis of the graph to time. The red line on the graph represents the fit line, or the line determined from the regression equation. The green line represents the baseline, where the baseline equals the fit line plus or minus modifications. The fit line is actually hidden by the baseline for most of the bills, as the baseline is the same as the fit line for all bills except the bill matched bill. In this tutorial, we bill matched the single bill for the gas meter in the store area of our toy factory project. Bill matching is used when usage does not depend on weather or other variables used in tuning.